So in shipping, one of our tabs that lock in just right there in the corner just got broken off where it has to snap in. And let me get you clear there. Come on, clear up. And if you see what I did, see that little shiny dab right there? If it'll focus in, right there. That's a little tiny dab of epoxy, very small. I carry epoxy with me, and so I just mixed up a little epoxy and just took the smallest dab like that and just sat it right on the surface. So you don't put it in and put your connectors together. It's just sitting on the surface. So sometime in the future, you just get your screwdriver on there and you hit it a little bit and it'll just flake off the epoxy. But for right now, it won't vibrate and work its way loose. Last minute emergency, got damaged in shipping. And yeah, nothing like old JB Weld. This is not the JB Weld that has, you know, iron fortified or stainless steel or aluminum fortified. This is the clear stuff. 5 minute.